Hi everyone, my name is Mayra Alejandra Lazo Cruz, and this is the Individual Word Unit 1, Step 2 to describe and compare your city. Course Intermediate English 2. The description of my city. My city is Puerto Carreño. This place is very beautiful and interesting because there is a lot of vegetation, exotic animals, and there are also indescribable dams. Puerto Carreño is the capital of the state of Vichada. Its climate is sunny, with temperature reaching up to 40 degrees Celsius in the dry season. We are situated on the border of Venezuela, and the city has three rivers: in the north, the Meta; in the east, the Orinoco; and in the south, the Vida. Puerto Carreño City has approximately 10,000 inhabitants. They are friendly, ready to place, and easygoing. Its economy is based to cattle, commercial fishing, and agriculture. Our food is based on fried fish, meat, rice, and potatoes. If you come here, you should go to the Tuparo National Park, where the Maipures torrent is located, and place that the German naturalist Alexander von Humboldt called the eighth wonder of the world. In the park there is an abundance of flora and fauna, with foxes, snakes, deer, and capybaras. In the city, it is very important to go to the lookout post, El Cerro de la Bandera. From here, you have a great view of the three rivers, the Tepuy Mountains of Venezuela. These mountains are the oldest mountains in the world, and the Llanos of Colombia that stretches from here to Andes Mountains, some 900 kilometers to the west. During the dry season, my city is visited by many tourists who come here for sport fishing. You can fish peacock, bus payas. You can also see pink freshwater dolphin in the Orinoco rivers. This is very beautiful. I like it. I invited you to come to Puerto Carreño to experience another way of life. Thank you. Bye bye.